A voltmeter is a device which is used for measuring potential difference between 2 points in a circuit. An ideal voltmeter which does not change the potential difference to be measured should have infinite resistance so that it does not draw any current. Practically, a voltmeter cannot be designed to have an infinite resistance. Potentiometer is one such device which does not draw any current from the circuit. It acts as an ideal voltmeter. It is used for accurate measurement of potential difference. It is also used to measure an unknown EMF by comparison with known EMF. No power is consumed from the circuit containing the unknown EMF since the potentiometer uses null deflection method. The potentiometer wire AB of resistance capital R and length capital L is stretched on the rectangular wooden board. The source of EMF capital E having negligible internal resistance is connected to the wire AB through the key K. The current I is flowing through the circuit, which gives a potential difference VAB across the wire AB. Now let sigma is equal to resistance per unit length of wire AB. Therefore, resistance of wire AB is equal to sigma into L. Therefore, according to Ohm's law, we can write I is equal to VAB upon RAB. Therefore, the current flowing through wire AB is I is equal to VAB upon sigma L. Now, consider a point P on wire AB, which is at a distance small l from point A. Therefore, we can write resistance of wire AP is equal to sigma into small l. Therefore, potential difference across AP is VAP is equal to I into resistance of wire AP. Therefore, VAP is equal to I into sigma L. But current flowing through the wire AB is I is equal to VAB upon sigma L. Therefore, VAP is equal to VAB upon sigma capital L into sigma small l. Therefore, VAP is equal to VAB upon capital L into small l. But potential difference across the wire AB and length of the wire AB, that is capital L, are constant. Therefore, we can write VAP is directly proportional to L. That is, potential difference between points AP of the potentiometer wire is directly proportional to the length of the wire small l between the points AP. Therefore, we can write VAP upon L is equal to K, which is nothing but constant and is called potential gradient, that is, fall of potential per unit length. Therefore, we can say that the potential difference between any 2 points of the potentiometer wire is directly proportional to the length of wire between these 2 points. This is the principle of potentiometer.